Preparing the opening. In order to achieve a professional installation of your doors, it is vital to use the appropriate tools and to prepare the fitting space correctly. Please follow these instructions carefully. These are the necessary tools required to complete the installation of the panoramic door system. When measuring the opening sizes, it is important to take 3 horizontal measurements: bottom, middle, and top. 3 vertical measurements: right, center, and left, and both corner-to-corner measurements. A 12 mm gap is required on each side of the door and on the head to allow for irregularities in the framework of the opening. The smallest measurement should be the size of the frame plus 24 mm. In the US version, allow 12 mm on all 4 sides of the door for irregularities in the framework. The most important factor when setting up the opening to receive the panoramic door system is to ensure the floor is level. We strongly recommend the use of a laser level and set square to ensure the floor is level. Take some time to ensure the surrounding framework is free of debris or obstruction. When taking delivery of your panoramic door, it's important that the packages are stacked flat to prevent bowing or distortion of the sashes and tracks. Please carefully unwrap and inspect all parts prior to installation. Handles, keeps and keys are stored within the packaging of the jambs and can be misplaced or discarded if not identified. Any damage should be reported at this stage prior to installation. If you are not ready for installation, please make sure to store the panels in a safe area out of the traffic to avoid damage.